Hello, my little readers. Today's story is The Little Excavator, and it's written and illustrated by Dewdney, and she also writes the Llama Llama books. Here comes the big rigs rolling down the street. Thumpa, thumpa, bumpa, bumpa, beep, beep, beep. Can you see little E ready on the spot? He's the little excavator working on the lot. That little guy right there. Wham goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. Rumble, rumble, crumble, crumble, fall, fall, fall. Little E is busy. He goes bam, bam, bam. Uh-oh, little excavator, now you're in a jam. Grrr, goes the loader, lifting up the trash. Push-a, smush, push-a, push-a, smush-a, smush-a, smash, smash, smash. Little E tries lifting up some junk, junk, junk. But there goes little excavator, over with a clunk. Droom goes the dump truck with the load to lug. Thunka, thunka, clunka, clunka, chug, chug, chug. Little E just wants to lug all day, day, day. Look out, little excavator. Don't get in the way. Brrr, goes the backhoe, digging in the dirt. Clang, clang, bang, bang. Work, work, work. Little E is helping too. He can dig, dig, dig. Not yet, little excavator. Someday when you're big. Woo! Goes the tall crane rising to the sky. Whoosh, whoosh, swoosh, swoosh. High, high, high. Little E is stretching. He gets tall, tall, tall. Sorry, little excavator. You're too small. Now, there's one last job and the busy day is done. But no big rig can do it. Not a single one. Everybody tries it, and it's much too tight. But can it be? Little E fits just right. Look at him going over that bridge. Good job, little excavator. Time to take a bow. There's work to do just for you, here and now. You may be small, little E, but you will grow. You're a mighty little excavator. Go, go, go! With it getting warmer outside, there's lots of construction going on. So next time you're outside, look and see how many different kinds of work trucks you can see. Bye, guys.